Today we have a 2017 Nissan Rogue SV, all-wheel drive, 15,000 miles, clean AutoCheck. Comes with the balance of factory warranty. Let's give you a look. First thing you notice looking at the front, they have redesigned this. It's a new model. See, it does have the nice chrome grille. It's a black fascia trim. It does have the nice chrome strip along the bottom of the bumper. It has the LED parking lights, along with the nice fogged out looking headlights. Bring it back to the side, you will see it has the alloy 17-inch rims. Got hand-cooked tires on there that are around 3/4 tread. And you have the integrated turn signals in your mirrors. Also has the brushed aluminum roof rack. You got your antenna up there for your satellite radio. See, the interior is black on black, black carpet. You have the black cloth seating. You do have some nice chrome accent pieces, along with some smoked plastic accent pieces in there. If you look at the back, there's lots of room in the back seat. And the seats do fold down flat like that. If you need to haul something larger in the back, you can fold those down. And the center seat flips down. You have a couple nice deep cup holders in there. And rubber in the back is just about the same as the front, all the way around actually, around 3/4 tread on everything. Bring you around the back of the vehicle, you will notice the badging on there, the Rogue, and of course SV is the model and all-wheel drive. You have some nice chrome accenting on the back of the vehicle also. And right there you'll see you do have your backup cam. And you have some panels here that will pull out. If you take those out, a couple different ways you can stick them up in there to store them, to make some shelving. If you lift all that up and you look underneath, that's where you have your spare, you have your jack and your tools, all down underneath that. Does have a rear defrost, rear wiper. You can look there. Of course, this side of the seating folds down just like the other side. And another thing I probably ought to show you is kind of neat. Rear seats do slide forward and backward to accommodate different height people. Look at the interior. Start on the driver's door. See, you have your power locks, windows, and power mirrors. Hop inside. Down by your left leg, you will see your traction control buttons, your all-wheel drive, your different modes. You can choose economy, which will get you a little better fuel mileage, or sport, which is what you want to push if you're a little more of an aggressive driver, or give you a little better feel of the road. Down under that you have your gas and your hood release buttons. And we'll light the dash up here to give you a look. You'll see currently the mileage is 15,980. And your steering wheel has all your controls. You have your audio controls, you have your heads-up display controls, Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control, pretty much everything you control from right there. And this model does have push-button start, which is really nice. Bring it over, show you the stereo and radio display. Like I said, of course, it does have XM. And Bluetooth. You can run your Bluetooth and everything right through your radio, of course. Under that, you have your controls for your front and rear defrost, heating and air conditioning controls. A little lower than that, you have a 12-volt power source. You have a USB port, auxiliary port if you need to plug something in, and your automatic gear shift selector. Driver and passenger heated seating buttons. And you have a nice deep center console. And of course, driver and passenger side airbags. Give you a look throughout. It's a real nice, super clean vehicle. No rips or tears. Go ahead and start the engine up, and we'll give you a look out under the hood. And as you can see, it's nice and clean underneath there also. As for the engine, you're looking at a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Pretty common for these roads. Nice engine, gives you a pretty good fuel economy, along with the fact that it's not a real large SUV. That motor combination works pretty well with it. It does have the SVT transmission. CVT transmission, not SVT. Give you a look at the LED lights there while it's running. And the last thing I'm going to do is we're going to walk around here one more time and give you a look at any blemishes we can find. It's a pretty low mileage unit, so don't expect to find a whole lot. This is usually a common spot to find nicks and scratches on these SUVs with people pulling stuff in and out of the hatch, but this one's actually pretty clean. Don't really see much there. Wheels all look good and clean. No curb rash or marks on those. The only thing I see is the front of the hood, driver's side. There is a little ding. I'll show you right there. I'll put my finger so you get an idea of how small it is. There's a very small ding right there, probably a stone ding. But other than that, like I say, it is a good clean SUV with the metallic blue on that. That's a pretty good looking ride. If you're interested in coming out to take a look or maybe take a test drive, feel free to give us a call, 717-485-4224, or look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.